Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what you love making next. This is the first build in our Christmas in July series. This is the Santa Claus house, made by Loz, or L-O-Z. They are made from mini bricks, which are some of my favorites to work with, depending on the kit. L-O-Z makes great mini brick kits. Pretty close to a Lego-like experience. Instructions are usually pretty good. The bricks go together well. They're fun. They're really fun builds. So let's get them opened up here so you can see what's on the inside here. This is nice here because a lot of their kits unfortunately have instruction booklets in a poster file style format, but this one's actually in a book. That makes me very happy. The other thing is a lot of times their brick builds are not in numbered bags, and that looks to be the case here. I don't see any numbering of the bags, just see it hopping right into it. So that's a downer, I have to say. But yeah, so essentially you got to pour all the bricks out onto your workplace and just start building. Yeah, so that's that. Here is the example of what the bricks look like. See how small they are in comparison. So this is, you know, a 1x6 it looks like, or maybe 1x5. And it's dinky. Yeah, so said no numbers on the bag so far as I can tell. So yeah, so we'll get these built real quick on camera for you and then give you a good review. Okay, we got her done. It was a very good experience from Loz. They have pretty fun kits, really. I really enjoyed their Christmas themed sets. They've been a lot of fun to put together. Yeah, so here he is. We've got a little car here. We got a guy with a camera. We'll rotate around here. Show you the inside here. Yeah. There's Santa Claus just looking at his desk. There we go. We got some little lounge chair. We got a fire pit, a fireplace. We got his office. It's all very nice. The only two issues I had with it is here is a flower pot, and they're supposed to be these. Sorry. Let's zoom back out here. Here is a flower pot, and there's supposed to be these flowers in there, and they just kept popping off, so I finally got tired of messing with it and left them out, but they go in fine. They just don't stay fine. And then where Santa Claus sits, let's see if I can pick it up and show you here. Yeah, so where Santa Claus sits, was just like, I don't know if it's supposed to be a chandelier or something like that, but his head hit it. So I just popped off and I just left it off, and I think it's fine without it anyway. And yeah, I would say this isn't a kit for the beginner. I think they'd be a little frustrated with the roof. It was a little bit of a challenge to get the roof on. I think they'd probably have it collapse a few times on them. It'd be very frustrating for a very new builder to tackle this, but I think they could still get it done. It just would be maybe a little bit frustrating with that kind of thing there, but the instructions were great. The bricks were great. Everything went together really well, held pretty well with the exception of that little flower thing. Got these little stands here. I'm not really sure what we're going for with this, but it's kind of pretty. I like the bright orange tops there, and says Merry Christmas on the poles. Maybe you could tether a horse to it? I'm not sure. Or a reindeer. Maybe tether some reindeer. Yeah. These kits always come with their own little brick tool. And so that's very nice. It's a very high quality tool. It's nice and thick and heavy. So it does a great job of popping the bricks off if you make a mistake. Yeah, and here is it in with its other member from this particular kit. And so they work together very well. They look great. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks again for watching Stallone's Reviews. Up this side if you want to make one of your own LOZ Santa Claus house. They are great built. I will put the link where I got them from. You can find them on Temu sometimes at certainly a good price, but I had a hard time finding them when I was looking for them, so I actually went to USA Gundam, and it's a great website to buy them from. They arrived in perfect condition, shipping was reasonable, and yeah, so I got 2 more to go with this collection, and so we'll keep building, and we'll start with that next one right away. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.